Number 1, 8 to the what power equals 1? One of the rules that we learned on Friday and what we talked about today was that anything to the 0 power equals 1. And so 8 to the 0 power equals 1. X, the exponent, must be 0. Number 2, 100 to the what power equals 100? Again, what the front side of our notes told us was that anything to the 1 power equaled that number. 100 to the first power equals 100. And so x, the exponent, must be 1. Number 3, 12x times 12 to the 4th equals 12 to the 8th. When we are multiplying, we add the exponents. So x plus 4 has to give us the answer of 8. The only number x could be is 4, because 4 plus 4 equals 8. X is 4. Number 4, 6 to the 10th divided by 6 to the x equals 6 to the 6th. When we divide, we subtract our exponents. So 10 minus x is 6. In order for that statement to be true, it must be 10 minus 4 equals 6. So x must be 4. Number 5, 9 to the 2nd raised to the x power equals 9 to the 6th equals 9 to the 8th. So first, we would solve this problem by multiplying 2 times x. And then we would subtract 6, because when we divide, we subtract, and it would have to equal 8. Now, for us to work backwards, we do the opposite. We add 6 to both sides, because we're working backwards to get to the 2x. 8 plus 6 is going to give us 14. So 2 times what is 14? 2 times 7 is 14. Number 6, 3 to the 3rd times 3 to the 3rd equals 3 to the 5th times 3 to the what? So again, we are multiplying, so we add our exponents, so that would be 3 plus 3, which is 6, x to the 6th. So for the other part, we have an exponent of 5, so 5 plus what is going to give us 6? The only answer it can be is 1. 5 plus 1 gives us 6. Number 7, 7 squared raised to the 9th equals 7 to the 3rd raised to the x. So when we raise to a power, we multiply the exponents. 2 times 9, which is 18. So 7 to the 18th power. For the other problem, we already have a 3, so 3 times what equals 18? The only possible answer is 6. 3 times 6 gives us 18. Number 8, 2 to the 6th times 2 to the 12th equals 2x raised to the 2nd power. So in the first part of the problem, we are multiplying, so we add the exponents. 6 plus 12, which is 18. So when we are raising to a power, we multiply. So what number times 2 equals 18? The answer is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Number 9, 4 to the 3rd times 4 to the 5th equals 4x divided by 4 to the 3rd. We're multiplying in the beginning, so we add our exponents. 3 plus 5, which is 8. 4 to the 8th power. In the second part, we subtract. X minus 3 has to give us the same exponent of 8. The only possible answer is 11. 11 minus 3 equals 8. So x is 11. Number 10. 11 to the 0 power times 11 to the 8th divided by 11 squared equals 11 squared raised to the x. So we're going to solve the left-hand side of the problem first. On top, we are multiplying, so we add the exponents, 0 plus 8, which is 8. So my problem is 11 to the 8th divided by 11 squared. We are dividing, so we subtract 8 minus 2, which is 6. So 11 to the 6th is what we're trying to solve. On the other side, we have 11 squared raised to the xth power. When we raise to a power, we are multiplying the two exponents together. So 2 times x is going to equal 6. The only possible answer is 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. Make sure that you show all of your work as well as write down every answer to get complete credit.